Hello and welcome to Live with Amanda. Today we're going to be talking about the importance of having a really great website. And so I like to think the Caring Therapist website is really great because it looks pretty good and there's a lot of functionality with it. So I think those two pieces are really important when having a website. You want it to look nice, but you also want it to be really functional and easy to navigate. The speed is quick, and that there is SEO going on with your website. And so when you're looking for a website company, you want to make sure that they can do both of those. They can make your website look great, they can make it be functional, and it has that foundation of SEO in it. So I would say if you're interviewing people to do your website, they need to talk about SEO at some level, because a website just thrown up without planned keywords, without your locations, without understanding your target audience is not really going to get you what you need. And that's why companies like Wix and Squarespace, I totally understand why people use them. We just have never used them. Why? Because they're not giving you everything that you really need in order to rank on Google, right? They're not giving you they're giving you very functionality, like making it very functional for you to use and put up pictures and put up service pages. But that second layer that you need to really be competitive in today's market is going to be really done by a website developer, or we use a company called Brighter Vision for our website. We have used Brighter Vision for a very long time. And if I think about the cost, has it been worth it? Yes, because they developed our original website. They have gone through all of the changes. Every time we add a location, they add a location for us. Every time we add a service, they add a service for us. And so it's a really great plan for a large group practice where there's constantly changes and things being added. And they do SEO for you. They do some basic SEO. They have different packages for SEO as well if you're looking to take it to the next level. But there are a lot of companies out there that do websites specifically for therapists. It used to be like you can get a website for $1,500, $2,500. Now websites are going to run you about $5,000. But again, you are absolutely investing in your business and in your practice. And this is a big piece of marketing that you're going to be doing for your practice. So I do think having a great website is going to be helpful. I'm going to tell you why it's helpful. But first, I want to thank our sponsor, TherapyNotes. If you're looking for an electronic health record that can really help you, right? Like that can be your biller, right? You can bill directly from there. You can take credit card payments. You can send assessment tools. And now they have Therapy Fuel, the AI feature that helps you write notes. The biggest complaint therapists have most of the time is the note writing, writing notes. So having something to help you with your notes is really helpful. So, and then the cherry on top is the customer service. Actually, in a Facebook group the other day, someone was like, oh, this, that, the other. I'm like, have you tried to call them? They are so great. They will walk you through whatever issues you have. And so I highly recommend you check out TherapyNotes. So going back to having a great website, you want to make it very easy for people to know who you are, see your picture, see your bio, know what you do, your services and your treatments, and know how to get in contact with you, know where you're located, how to book an appointment. When I'm looking for service providers, if I'm looking for somebody for migraines, I'm going to go to their website and see, do they have migraines listed out on their website? I want to know who they are, the person, the doctor, the therapist, what they do they treat migraines, and how do they treat migraines, and is it easy to book an appointment, right? And so many people are using Google to book appointments. So why compete with other people on Psychology Today by just linking to Psychology Today? Use a website to really help you build your smart private practice. I hope this was helpful. I'll see you soon, everybody. Bye.